Happiness sounds like when I go down and feed the ducks, they make really cute noises.
Happiness sounds like laughing and unicorns and rainbows and cupcakes.
Happiness sounds like flowers, bees, everything.
Happiness tastes like whipped cream.
It tastes like candy floss with a bit ice cream and chewing gum and bubble gum.